Today we discussed about class 9 chapter 1. Chapter name is number system. First we know about real number. Real number can be divided into two types. One is with decimal and second is without decimal. Now with decimal, under with decimal there are three types of number, like 1.2, it's called terminating. That means this number 1.2, this type of number is terminate at 2. That's why this number is called terminating. Okay, and second is 1.121212 and dot dot dot. This is called non-terminating repeating. It's not terminate at a point. Okay, not terminate, it's that's why it is not terminating and repeating. 1 2 1 2 1 2 repeatedly we get this 2 digit. That's why it is non-terminating repeating. And third one is 1.123459 dot dot dot. Here no digit is repeated, that's why it is non-repeating, and it's not terminate at any point. That's why it non-terminating, non-repeating. So under with decimal we get three types of number. One is terminating like 1.2, non-terminating repeating 1.1212 and dot dot. Third is 1.1234597 dot dot, non-terminating, non-repeating. On other hand, without decimal, in without decimal we get the number 0 1 2 3 4 and so on, -1 -2 -3 and so on. These are the number without decimal number, that are real number. Okay, and this number is called integer, that we already discussed in the previous class. Now these integers can be divided into three parts. One part is from 1 2 3 4 to up to plus infinite, and other hand -1 -2 -3 dot dot minus infinite, and third part is 0. This 1 to plus infinite is called positive integer, and -1 to minus infinite is called negative integers, and 0 is called zero integer. Now from 1 to 1 2 3 4 up to plus infinite, this positive integer have another name, that is natural number. Why this number is called natural number? Because in nature, in practical life, we use this number. Okay, that's why this number is called natural number. If we include 0 in this natural number, then we get a new set, that is whole number set. In this whole number set, which number is this? 0 1 2 3 4 and dot dot up to infinite. So 1 to infinite, this is natural number, and 0 to infinite, this is whole number. So which is the smallest natural number? It's 1, and smallest whole number 0. Which is the greatest natural number? It's infinite. In case of whole numbers also, greatest whole number is infinite. Now we divide the number with decimal number, the real number with decimal number, into two parts. Among them, terminating, that means 1.2 like this number, and non-terminating repeating, that means recurring numbers 1.121212 and dot dot. These two numbers is called a rational number, and the third number, that is 1.234597, that is non-terminating, non-repeating, is called irrational number. Okay, so first two part is called rational number, and third is called irrational number. Okay, so a rational number, as a definition we can write the number which can be represented as in the form p by q, where q must be not equal to 0, where p, q are integers. This number is called a rational number. So if we can represent a number in the form of p by q, then that number is called a rational number. If it is not possible, if you cannot represent a number in the form p by q, that are irrational number, and that are non-terminating, non-repeating. And which are rational number? Terminating and non-terminating, repeating. That means a recurring number. Okay. As example of rational number, so which number we can represent as p by q? Like 1 by 2, minus 1 by 5, 4 by 7. These are rational number. And we also discussed about rational number in the previous class. An irrational number example, root 2, root 3, root 5. Okay, these are irrational example of. Now there is a note. The note is every integer can be represented as rational number. For example, a integer 3 can be written as 3 by 1, 2 can be written as 2 by 1, 5 can be written as 5 by 1, minus 6 can be written as minus 6 by 1. So in general we can say that every integer can be written as that integer divided by 1 in this form. Okay, so every integer is a rational number. Okay, so ultimately what we get? Real numbers. There are three parts in the real number. One is integer, second is rational number, and third is irrational number. But now we get every integer is rational number, so real numbers equal to, ultimately we get rational numbers plus irrational number. Remaining portion of this chapter we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.